Welcome to Activity 4, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing fluency, identifying the number before numbers from 10 to 20. To complete this activity, you need one of each block from 1 to 10 placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. The first activity is completed on the number track. To help me here, I have Karis.
Hello.
She's going to be player 2. So I'm going to ask her to close her eyes and I'm going to flick the spinner and cover the number on the number track. Now, Karis, open your eyes and can you tell me the number before this is something?
The number before 19 is 18.
And I will remove this to check. And yes, that's correct. So Karis writes that down as her score in player 2. Then it's my turn as player 1. I'll close my eyes. Karis will flick the spinner, cover that number, and then tell me to open my eyes.
You can open your eyes now.
Okay. The number before 14 is 13.
That's correct.
Excellent. And because we're developing the concept of the number before, which is moving this way on the number line, the player who has the least number is the winner. So unfortunately, Karis, I'm the winner this round. Now it's your turn.